Looking at how you can earn up to $2,000 per week through CPA marketing. Don't hesitate to be a part of this golden opportunity. Now let's get into the video. Making money just got easier. Is there a way that allows you to make more than $2,000 in less than 1 week? CPA marketing can be applied to leverage several industries, including the movie industry, especially with top and trendy movies. Never mind the old movies, they're still making money nonetheless. Now, these generate millions of searches almost every day. A movie that stretches as far back as 2004, like Shrek 2, can earn you money in the present. So, how does it work? Be patient and watch this video through to the end. Are you aware of the box office? That's where you get to watch the latest movies that have just premiered. Video content sells pretty mad and have retained the most interest online. You have to search out the most enterprising movies with the highest grossing in dollars. The likes of Avengers Endgame. These are the kind of movies you are used to searching for every day, whether you choose to download or stream the film. Now here is where it gets pretty interesting. Most of these movies require that you watch them via streaming service like Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, etc. A lot of people don't want to do that. They feel it is not cost-effective to go ahead and pay a monthly service to watch movies online. Many people are either seeking a free download or a free streaming service. And here is how this opportunity works. You will create a unique system that passes traffic through a content locker and a CPA offer linked to a free streaming service for the movie. It comes at the cost of completing a CPA offer for the provider, and it will generate within $2 to $5 on a single CPA offer. All this is possible via a website known as cpalead.com. You can type in CPA Lead into your search engine box and click the first result of the search, which will take you to the website's homepage. It comes with a simple, user-friendly interface that you will need almost no help navigating through and through. Among other things that the site offers, you can enjoy its PPC network for whatever purpose you might need it for. CPA stands for Cost Per Action. CPA marketing involves getting your lead to take some steps to get paid. It is different from affiliate marketing in a lot of ways. Affiliate marketing requires that you sell something to your leads. Now instead, CPA involves getting your leads to complete offers and earn some value for the task they just completed. You can view this giveaway information, and you need people to register to obtain the giveaway. You need a website to do this. It is a simple structure of referrals, and your referrals do not have to commit anything financially, just the opportunity to stream their favorite movie for free. It sounds like a win-win situation. Most of these giveaways can earn you at least $2 per referral, and if you can win over 200 people per day, you can get up to $400 per day or twice as much. The volume and time can bring you a lot of earnings. When you know what movies are best grossing and highly rated and generate the most searches, it would help if you had a marketing strategy, and that's where you have Google Ads. It simply involves paying Google to rank your website content high on CPA for specific keywords or search terms. If you choose Spider-Man No Way Home, visit the Google Ads website, register, and get set to apply for the Google Ads. You must already have a functional website and an active account with a CPA lead. On the Google Ads page, click New Campaign and fill in the required details. It will request your website URL and your content locker for your CPA offer. You might need to switch tabs at this point back to the CPA lead website. If you're using a PC, to your left, you will see a list of options and select quote-unquote lockers. Here you'll see a drop-down of options such as file and link locker followed by the website locker. Since you are running a website, your choice should be website locker and then create to build a website locker. You'll need to choose a suitable theme. On this, your leads will have to complete an action to watch the movie of their choice. Choose a simple locker and name it, for example, Spider-Man No Way Home Free Stream. Name the locker title with a form of a call to action. For example, complete this survey to verify and unlock your free stream movie. In the Instructions tab, be quick to add further instructions to complete the survey and prove that you are not a robot and free stream on the next page. Select Run Locker and set it to when the page is loaded. For the unlock event, choose an open URL to enable easy access to the stream. Next is the locker link. We recommend that you copy the URL from cmovies.is. Since we are interested in Spider-Man No Way Home, we will type in the movie's name in the search box at the website's top right-hand corner. Click on it. Select play and it starts to stream. The website doesn't require that you sign up for an account or anything, so not the stream page. You will copy the link and go to the content locker and paste it. Check out the requirement for 2 offers since 1 offer is just what you need. Then proceed to create the website locker. Select the View Code button next and copy the JavaScript code displayed in the pop-up window at the center of your screen. You can run ads on your content locker, but is not as effective as the CPA offer itself. Now, to do this, copy the locker URL link located in the JavaScript code and go to your Google Ads page, paste it in there, and start a new campaign. Make a small budget for ads per day and select all countries and all territories. The best part would be figuring out the right keywords you think people would generally search, such as Spider-Man No Way Home free stream or Spider-Man No Way Home free download. You can also have Spider-Man No Way Home full movie download, etc., etc. Now, when you run ads based on these infallible keywords when they search, they will see your link at the top and they will click and complete the offers and start watching their movie for free. You can do it for any movie of your choice, whether new or old. You can run multiple ads for several films and earn at least $6 per CPA offer completed by your leads. It's pretty exciting, isn't it? Google Ads can be pretty expensive, so you might want to seek an alternative to that. That's where Medium comes into play. Write a free article and publish it on how to download or watch Spider-Man No Way Home for free. Please include a link through your keywords that will lead them to your content locker. Once they click unlock this content, they complete the offer and boom, there you go. They can watch the movie and you have made your own money. Yep, it is that easy to do for as many movies as possible. People search for these movies every day, and one would be a fool not to grab the opportunity when it does present itself. That's all for now. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. We'll see you next time, but before you leave, why not check out some of our other proven money methods in this playlist?